Hello everyone, we are here in the beautiful Dubai and I have with me the Michael Flight, CEO of the Liberty Real Estate Fund, one of the pioneers of the tokenized funds. Michael, what can you tell us about Liberty?
Liberty Real Estate Fund is a net lease security token fund. So what that means is net leases are essentially bonds wrapped in real estate. They're high quality tenants with long-term leases, and they're brand names that you would know, like 7-Eleven, like Aldi, like people that would know about these tenants worldwide, and those are the people that are paying the rent.
What is your experience in real estate?
My experience, I've been in real estate for more than 35 years. We've been in business since 1990. We've worked with institutional real estate investors, from hedge funds to insurance companies to publicly traded real estate investment trusts. So we've really been in the net lease space and working with institutional grade real estate for more than 30 years as a business, and myself personally more than 35 years.
What can you tell us more about Liberty Fund team?
The real estate fund team is a collection of individuals that have been in institutional real estate all their lives. They're experts in portfolio management. They're all experts in net lease properties. They've worked for real estate investment trusts. They've worked for large development companies, and they've also done a lot of value add projects. So we as a team have a lot of real estate experience, plus we've also got security token technology experience.
You are one of the pioneers of the tokenized fund for real estate. Why a tokenized fund?
Well, you know, one of the things that we saw is that security tokens can get people from all over the world investing in high quality real estate. And so we said, what if we could take this super stable assets of these net lease properties, which are some of the best properties in the world, and what if we could combine them all into a diversified portfolio and then have people from all over the world be able to invest in that. And so the security tokens just open up a worldwide pool of investors. And one of the things that I like to talk about is in the last 30 years, there's been this blooming of people coming out of poverty and into the middle class. All those billions of middle class people are going to want to invest and do better for themselves. And so there's going to be this giant capital pool. And what better thing to get them invested in is real estate, because real estate has created generational wealth for hundreds of years.
So what exactly the investor get?
The investor will invest in a token, and so those tokens are something, it's like a share of a stock or something like that, but it's even better because they get the digital representation that's actually put on the blockchain, so it's immutable. And then the cool thing about the tokens are, if in a year you decide that you want to sell maybe half of your tokens or all of your tokens, you could come to me and we could trade peer-to-peer. So which means that I could put up my money and you could sell me your tokens, or you could list them on an exchange, or there's broker dealers all over the world that you could go to them and say, can you sell the token? And that's unheard of liquidity in real estate, because right now if people invest in our typical real estate investment fund, they're in it for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and there's no option to get out of it or liquidity.
Very interesting. Where do you see yourself within 3 to 5 years?
We look to grow the fund within the next 5 years. That we believe, right now we're raising $30 million, and we believe by the end of next year it's going to be a $100 million fund. 5 years, we believe it's going to be a $5 billion fund, and we want to grow it in 10 years, $10 billion, and assets worldwide, so that people get complete diversity from countries to industries to geography.